How can you run an app in the background on your Android? Let's get started. So at first, what you need to make sure is that you understand how it works. For example, if you go to the multitasking panel, you might check out and see that in the top left corner, I have two active apps in the background. So you can see that the Samsung Capture, which is like the software to record this video, and also a Twilight app, which is for the blue light filtering. And these apps work in the background and are active while running there. So obviously I have more apps being part of my multitasking panel, but these are not running in the background. So this is the distinction there. But you can open up the settings, or even better yet, you just go through in here and click on a stop like this. And this is how you can manage it, obviously. However, you can go in here and open up the settings app like this and just go to your apps section, and you can manage all of your applications in here. So you can, for example, click on something you might be, I don't know, interested in. Let's click on the Notion notes, and in there you have the usage limits. And when you click on battery, you get to decide if the app can be running in the background. So if you choose it to be unrestricted, you essentially allow the app to use as much battery as it needs for whatever it deems as useful. So this is how you can manage it for every single application. Another thing is the mobile data, so you can also enable or disable it during the background process. And that's how you can manage it. Of course, everything is part of this settings menu, so you can find most of the things that you would be interested in. Obviously, you can go and dig deeper into the settings if you need something more or extended, but that's essentially how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you have any additional questions. Subscribe for guides like this one, and I'll talk to you later.